This is the video walkthrough for 4256 Bear Loop. This is the 360 from the street. We just had the street repaved. They're supposed to be putting asphalt over this. Here we go. This is a popular vacation rental and it's rented this weekend. So I'm trying to get in and show you this walkthrough before they get in here. This house will not be on the rental program next week to allow showings. So please try and bring your clients and come see it next weekend or anytime during the week. This is the 3/4 bath. Let me turn back around so you could get the view as I walked in. Okay. This is to the garage. 2-car garage. There's a little walkway to the full laundry room. And that's where the water heater is. Open great room with beamed ceilings. Stone fireplace. Full kitchen with breakfast bar. Cool Cabins puts all these things on the counter for the guests. Stainless steel appliances. This is a formal dining room, and it's also being used as a game room. And I'll take it upstairs. And we're back at the entry here. And we're going to go up the stairs now. Hi. Here is a guest bathroom. His and her sinks. Full bath. And storage. This is linen closet. This bedroom has a deck to the outside. There's the closet. Nice views. That's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. They all have the mirrored glass doors. This one's a master suite with a full bathtub. That was bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. This one has little planter boxes that I put trees in right here. Little Christmas trees. This is the doors to the outside deck. And this is the master bedroom. Has closets on both sides. And then you enter the master bathroom. It has a jetted bathtub that does work. And a separate shower. 2 sinks. And that is the video tour of the inside of Bear Loop. Thank you. It's listed at $8.95.